Hi, this is an assignment task to problem solving real world analytics. In this video, we will go through understanding the data, transforming the correlated data, building a model to predict the various values, and compare it with a linear regression model. Now, let us load the data as a matrix and also create a random subset of 300 samples from the original data. Here we can see the values. And now let us initially check the variables and also run the subplot in the histogram. Here x1 is the FFMC index and x2 is the DMC index and so on for x3, x4, x5 and all other variables. Now let us run the scatter plot. So through the scatter plot it is clearly visible that the FFMC index is remaining in a near constant in the range of 80 to 100 for DMC in the applied range, and also for further scatter plots it is the same. Now let us try doing it for the histogram. Through the histogram it is clearly seen and it is noticeable that it is a negative skew. Now let us do the transformation so it is easier for further testing. It is transformation made for the given input. Now we have to find the variables that are correlated to x1. And so through the graph it is clearly visible that x2, x3, x4 and x5 have a positive correlation with x1. Just to have a copy of my data, I am performing this. Now we apply transformation to the variables in order to convert them to a near normal distribution. We are going to run all the 5 transformations. Before that, as previously we could see that the histogram had a negative skew, and through this it is clearly seen that the x1 variable is to near normal distribution with some outliners. It is converted to near normal distribution. Now let us run all other variables. Now let us add the transform data into a text file. That is, appending the transform data to a variable your.data. Now we will load the AgwaFit file where we have implemented fit and logic for different aggregate functions. But before checking that, by running the below code, we will be fitting and generating the respective statistics for each individual aggregate functions. By running this code, we will be fitting and generating the respective statistics. In AgwaFit, we are going to work with different services like weighted power means, weighted quasi-arithmetic means, Choquet integral, and many more. Now let us have a look at the statistics. Here we can see different kinds of values like RMSE, average absolute error, Pearson correlation, and also the Spearman correlation. In the report, we can see that all the values are put forth in a table. And here we can see that the Choquet integral has least values in RMSE, average absolute error, and Pearson correlation, and with a high orness. And hence it is clear that the Choquet integral is the best fitting model. Now with the following command, we will predict the value. And also after we run, the predicted value will be retransformed. Now let us build a linear model and compare it with the present model. This is the prediction for the outcome of x1 as a linear function using the linear regression model. Here in the graph, we can clearly see that the predicted values lie on the linear model line. Thank you.